Hi, I'm Heidi Hoyes, and I'm here in Expert Village to show you how to ice a wedding cake. Okay, I'm going to add some more icing on the spots that I missed. Now here comes the hard part. You want to get the extra icing on top of the cake to smooth out. What you want to do is you want to bring the icing towards the middle. You get your spatula and you bring it towards the middle. You just kind of move the spinning table around to get a good swipe at it. You're going to have extra icing on the back, so you want to wipe that off. You just start over again. Just go towards the middle. Towards the middle. It's not always going to look perfect, but we'll fix that in a minute.